Hi, Matt Coyle here up at the Growler factory in Star, North Carolina. Coyle LLC is teamed with Carolina Growler, finest systems integrator and trailer manufacturer in the world, best corrosion protection in the world, experts in metallization and anti-corrosion process. And here's the next couple CM6s rolling off the factory line here. Gearing up to get this one started. We've got a bunch of events coming up in August. I'd like to invite you all to come down to these events and check out our equipment. We'll be powering the O'Neill Sweetwater Surf Contest happening in August 17th, 18th, and 19th in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. We've got several events coming up on UNCW campus in Wilmington, and I believe we'll be powering the High Country Beer Festival outside of Boone at the end of the month on August 26th. Yeah, I invite you to all come out and find out more about Coyle LLC and our innovative products. This is a Coyle Solar Workmate at the manufacturing facility in Star, North Carolina. We're teamed and part of the team with Carolina Growler. Can't say enough about Growler. They're just amazing, the best in the world. So I really urge you all to check out their company. If you have any fabrication or manufacturing needs, Carolina Growler is the best in the world. All right, look forward to meeting you. Please come to these events and ask for me, Matt Coyle, and I'll give you a tour of the CM6. This is a mobile power plant, mobile water plant, and mobile lighting security system. So, triple redundant layers of overcurrent protection, triple redundant battery protections for depth of discharge protection. It's got water pumping and filtration. This unit doesn't have the reverse osmosis system, but these next two that we're building have the reverse osmosis. And so yeah, if you have needs for electricity, water, security lighting, please contact Coyle LLC. All right, thank you.